Hey guys, it's Blake with Beauty and Style Network. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your hairstylist smile at the busiest time of the year with an awesome gift under $30. Number 1, for the stylist that loves coffee, a stainless steel coffee mug that says life is too short to have bad hair, and it's only $20. Next would be a sheer necklace, which I love because this industry is so personal and close to me, and I love wearing it around my neck. And that one is only $17.99. Because I love coffee so much, another coffee cup that says I make people beautiful, what's your superpower, which I think is super cute, and that one is only $13. Candles, because I feel like everybody loves a good smelling candle. I know my favorite is Bath & Body Works candles. I think they're just amazing and I think they last for a pretty long time. A cosmetic bag that says, first I drink coffee, then I do the hair, because we all have to have coffee in the morning. And that one is only $16. And last but not least, my personal favorite is a card just telling them how much that you are thankful and grateful for them. I know that's gonna make anybody smile and make anyone's day. I know it would definitely make mine. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want for Christmas and maybe that special someone will see. Make sure to ring the bell so you never miss uploads, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas with an awful gift. And it says, I looked at it, sorry.
$20. No!
I'll fix it, especially with how big superhero movie, literally any of them. Literally any smell that they have there is amazing. Don't put that on.